How to connect Fivers to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your funded or evaluation account with the prop firm, the Fivers, to MetaTrader 5 platform on both mobile and desktop. So I'm going to show you how you can retrieve login credentials, select the correct server, and avoid common login issues. So first of all, open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. If you're using Android or computer, you can follow similar steps as well. So then you get to navigate to settings and then you get to click on new account. Once you do so, go to the search bar and type in 5% or Fivers. Click on search and you'll be able to see this broker. Simply click on it. And first of all, you get to select your server, make sure your server is correct. And then you get to type in your login credentials. Simply type in your login followed by the password, head over, click on sign in, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be able to connect your Fivers to MetaTrader 5. So that's basically how you can connect Fivers to MetaTrader 5. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.